Why do 80% of Earth's species hang out in this green megaclub? Because the Amazon is the original life hub. Dense. Because the Amazon is the original life hub. Wild. Because the Amazon is the original life hub. Oddly organized. Ready to explore? The Amazon isn't just trees. It's a living machine. Rivers that carve the map. Canopies that hide whole ecosystems. And night sounds that compose their own symphony. Here, a single leaf can host an army of insects, and a flash of color could be a frog worth billions in medicine we haven't discovered. But it's fragile. Deforestation, fires, and short-term greed are chipping away at this masterpiece. So what can you do? Learn, support indigenous-led conservation, reduce consumption, choose sustainable products. Feel the awe, then take action. The Amazon survives when we stop treating it like a backdrop and start treating it like our future.